following me right now. Today's leg day at the gym. It's gonna be fun. It's so nice and cool out. I think it just rained last night, so no one has any type of allergic reaction in the morning. Bang. Please sponsor me. "16-hour fasts really help. I'm trying to do that at least 4 days a week. Other than that, what are you guys up to?" So, one of the main reasons why I'm leaving Lifetime is because that price tag, even though I go almost every day, for me, it's not worth it. Drop my bottle. It's just not worth it because it's $170 per person. And if you have how many people? If you have 2 people on the plan, 2 adults, then it's $120 per person. I also signed up at Gold's. They have the best machines I've ever seen in the area. And they're just literally 4 more minutes from Lifetime. So it's not bad for me. Another thing is I use this Polar strap to count my heart rate instead of the Apple Watch. It's better than the Apple Watch by a tiny bit. So I'll show you how many calories I burn. I don't know why this is the place to meet up in New Brunswick now for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that we made for this place too. I'm so hungry now. Just did legs, as you guys saw earlier. Now I'm gonna meet a buddy and catch up. It's been too long. It's nice having days off, right? True. Today's a day without stress, so first coffee. I think that's a commercial or something like that for coffee. I don't know. And then we're gonna be going to Round Valley Lake to grill some stuff, enjoy the water, fly my drone. I need to charge my drone actually. Budge. Best time to go to the park is on a Thursday before all the schools get out. Plus, there's no swimming. They blocked off the beachfront, so you don't get annoying patrons swimming and all that jazz. Just beautiful scenery and grilling. We need wood for fire. I found just the one. This should be enough wood for the rest of the day. Where's the cave?
There, under.
Under what?